अगर अहमदियों से बातें होती हैं ना तो चौधरी ज़फ़रुल्लाह साहब आजकल उनका बड़ा जिक्र आ रहा है अखबार पे, अल्लाह ताला उनको सेहत आजिला अता फरमाए। तो उनका भी जिक्र होता है तो उनके बारे में बड़ी अजीबो-गरीब किस्म की बातें करते हैं ये लोग जो हैं। तो मैं चाह रहा था कि इस वक्त मुझे वो याद आ रहे थे, मैं उनके लिए दुआ भी कर रहा था। तो मैं चाह रहा था कि मसलन वो यही कहते हैं कश्मीर का मसला जो है वो इन्हीं की वजह से जो है ना वो उलझा सियासी किस्म की, और फिर गुरदासपुर का ज़िला जो था वो भी अहमदियों की वजह से।
Why don't you speak in English? You can. All this subject of ज़फ़रुल्लाह Khan Sahib and the part he played in Palestine, in Kashmir, in the division of India and in Pakistan, has been made a subject of discussion and investigation in the Munir Inquiry Report. And they have passed their judgment categorically, and they have called those totally shameless people who have indulged in these allegations. And you know, Justice Munir
Yes.
held a very high and enviable position among the great judges of Pakistan. And similarly, Justice Kiani was with him in this report, and it was a joint report. He also holds a very high position in the judiciary. So this should be referred to those people. Tell them that why don't you read your own reports?
But sir, I haven't found that Munir inquiry report. I haven't got.
You haven't, but you can tell them. I'm telling you.
Thank you very much.
You can tell them that you can have access to. We have Munir inquiry report here, and excerpts from those parts of the judgment can be photocopied and then published here, or taken with reference and published. Just small, that's enough. Wherever such allegations are being spread, that without any comment, just the excerpt from Munir inquiry report on in these two issues should be published a small, like a folder, and distributed to them.
Thank you very much.
You know, these people, this shows how crooked these people are. They know they are a pack of lies. They know the first time they were, in the beginning, when they first invented these lies, maybe you could give them a benefit of doubt somehow. Although there was not much room for that, even at that time. But after all this inquiry was held, after the court of inquiry has positively condemned this attitude and exonerated ज़फ़रुल्लाह Khan Sahib with extreme praise and very high tributes to him. After that, when they repeat it, it shows their mentality. They're totally faithless people, liars. They know what they're doing and how they are deceiving the common Muslims.
हुजूर वो कहने लगे कि कायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना रहमतुल्लाह उनको ये अंग्रेज़ों की वजह से उन्होंने उन पे दबाव था, इसलिए उन्होंने
All that has been discussed. Yes. Everything is discussed.
और मैंने फिर उन्हें यही कहा, मैंने कहा एक ही तो
अंग्रेज़ों का दबाव उन्होंने मंजूर ही नहीं किया, but please leave it now.
Thank you very much.
Small things.